Hello and welcome back to Unity Noob to Unity Pro. I don't know why I'm so energetic, but this episode we'll be dealing with. Honestly, no wait, we're not dealing with anything. We're making environment stuff. Yes, that's right. I forgot. So what we'll be doing is be adding environment, PNG, whatever fits. And then bam. Is this it? Yes, that. I'm glad we're on the same page now. This isn't working out. I think I messed up. Yo. I don't think I'm going to put the environments in a palette actually, because that, see, doesn't seem like it's working. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about the tile palette, that's for sure. Because this is much easier. Just slide it into place. Alright. How does this level look? Pretty good, right? Yeah, I don't mean to brag or anything, but I even got a coin animation. You see that? Yep, I know. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So, the two bad, or enemies, as they're called in here, the mace up here and the spikes down here have colliders, so I can code into them killing me later on. So that's a good start to that. I don't know what that thing is next to my mouse. Anyway, then the spikes down here also have colliders, as I said. And then also, I don't know if I said anything about this, but the player I changed up. I gave him a gravity scale of 3, which basically is just you know. So I had gravity scale on as Earth's gravity 9.81, I think is what it was. I had that, but it was way here. I'll show you actually. It was way too. It felt stiff. Maybe not too so stiff, but it felt heavy. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. It felt heavy. So I had 9.81, and the jump force was like 15 at the time. But look how fast when I jump. Look at that. You instantly fall, which I mean makes sense. but I don't want that. So we're gonna have it like we had it. I think that's how we had it. And it feels better to me. Feels nice and floaty. Be able to move. And yeah. I don't think I did anything else that I didn't tell y'all, so that is what we have so far for this level. And I think I might make another level now, just so we could have actually no, how we need a trigger or something over here, don't we? So like we can go to the next level. I think that's what we do. I think that's what we need. So let's name this end level, maybe. There we go. Then that should lead into the next level, which I will make now. Now we're in Scratch. So what we're gonna do first is get a background. Scale it. Okay, chill out there, tiger. Oh, that looks good. Alright. We're just gonna name it background and not have that long old name. Back. There we go. Alright, now we can get started. Let's get started. So, how do we want to start this level? So it needs to coincide. It needs to coincide together, because he's just walking through. He's not teleporting. I guess I could have him teleporting, but he's just walking through at the time. So we need regular stuff. Do I want to start up? I could have him start all the way up here. I could. I will. So he's gonna start all the way up here. He's gonna look down and see an ocean. Oh yes, there we go. Where's the oceans? Let's make a new palette. I'm making a lot of palettes because I'm messing up a lot. But water palette. Create. Select folder. That's not working correctly at all. Oh, that took way too much time, bro. Literally, so all this down here. It took way too much time. It took way longer than it should have taken, because these aren't in order. So once I placed, say, this one down, and it was this one would not fit into place. I would have to go search around. But it's done. I mean, it's not perfect. I can still see some clipping and all, but still, there's some water there. Now let's just get back to the ground. Okay. I don't even know how I want. Oh wait, hold on. See, there we go. I don't even know how I want this to be. We're gonna have like a little slide down here. Like you jump and then you slip all the way down, right above the water. These guys, we can like animate them to smash into the ground like this. So you have to go by them. We have like 3. One there. I don't want one that close. And then one evenly spread out. One there. Okay, that probably need to fix the Y on all of them so they're like exactly lined up. And then we can have like a saw that falls down from up here, right here, and chases you when you once you like, we'll have like a trigger here, so like once you like jump, boom, this thing will drop and chase you, so you will only have a certain amount of time to be I don't know. Maybe that's too. Well, no. Once you have enough time, once you cross it, you should be like past this one by now. We'll try. We'll have it up here just so we don't forget about it. And then we'll have we need a trigger. Yep, there we go. Oh, people can cheese that. Okay. So let's just make a wall right here of dirt. Oh, dude, we have like an upside down. It could be like a weird paradox thing. Upside down world. That's what we're doing. We're doing upside down world. Comment. I don't think there is a way to flip it. Crap. Scrap it. Scrap this idea. Because I don't know how to flip it upside down. Alright, well I need something to stop this, so I think I'm just gonna have a dirt column right here. Let's go ahead and make this saw trap thing a trigger so I can go through it. And then I guess actually what I could do up here is just make a different path if they want to go this way. We have a stairway to heaven. We could have like a chest up here. Oh, yep, there we go. Chest, PNG. Actually, I don't think we want the animation. I think we just want the chest itself. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. I could have like this. I could have the entire person's or Meat Boy's body have a sphere collider. So on these things, he'll already be rolling down. That could work. Not gonna do it now, but that could work. Also, I want to see something. No, okay. I was seeing if it counts as ground when they're bouncing their head up, but it doesn't. That's good. That's good. That's good. So let's now add a collider for all the maces. Alright, there we go. How does that level look? That looks pretty nice. That looks pretty darn good to me. I think that's a pretty darn good second level. Better than my second level on my first game. Yep, that looks good. Now I just gotta animate and code the enemies. But I think I said I was gonna try and get the dash in this video, at least. So let's go get the dash. Alright. Alright. By the sound of my voice, you can tell we have done something right. Now just watch this, watch this. Bam. You didn't even see him move. Boom. Boom. We got our dash. It looks kind of weird because I don't have an animation or particle effects. But it is a dash nonetheless. Now, there is a problem with this. Oh, that's wrong. But you can do it continuously, like with no cooldown. I guess there is sort of a cooldown, but not really. So, I mean, it's not that big of a problem, but it is a problem. But besides that, we got a dash working. Now in the code, I went through all sorts of variations. There's a bunch, and I mean a bunch, of if, and else statements. Like there's so many, I got confused halfway through the video. But we got it nonetheless. Up on top with all the variables. I had to make a new script also because it was getting jumbled up in the movement, and I didn't feel like looking through all that. So it's an entirely new script. And so we got our rigid body, yes, and then we got our variables. We got a public float, and I didn't hard code it into the script. I have it in here on the player right here. I know it's a big number, but my gravity, where is it? Right here. My gravity, it makes my character a little heavier, so I have to put some more force behind it. But anyway, we have a public float for dash speed, which is the 1000 number, and then we have dash time and start dash time, and then we have our direction. And so the dash speed is how fast we're dashing. Dash time, that deals with how long it lasts. So the boom, the 0.1 second, it lasts for 0.1 seconds, and that is the perfect time. Well, you know, for me. And then the start dash time, that is just so what he said is we're decreasing the dash in our code. So the start dash time is so we can decrease, or it's going to allow us to decrease the dash time in game. And so it's pretty useful. And then private int direction. And so direction, it helps with down here, it helps us to know which way to dash. So it's like it coordinates whether we want to go left or right is what it's for. Down here in start, our dash time is just equal to our start dash time, and then here in fixed update. Okay. So in fixed update, we have our first if statement, which is saying if our direction equals 0. So if we're not pressing Q or E, then we get the choice of whether we want to press Q or E. So if we're not pressing anything, we can either go left or right, is what this is saying. And then under that, we got our else statement. And inside that else statement, if our dash time is less than or equal to 0, the direction is equal to 0, meaning we will go nowhere. So as soon as this time right here is up, we'll stop for that. See, we do technically stop. See that the 0.1 second is over. That's what it was talking about. And so if dash time is less than or equal to 0, just stop the motion. That's what rigidbody.velocity equaling vector 2.0 is. It's just stopping the motion. And then under that, in else, we have our dash time to minus or equal time.delta time. So that means minus equal, it's counting down is what it means. Dash time is counting down in time.delta time. So in time. And then under that, if direction equals 1, so if we press Q, we want to add force. Now he was using velocity, but it wasn't working for me, so I saw a comment that said add force works, and it does. It does. So I have my rigid body dot add force multiplied by vector 2 dot left times dash speed. And so under that, it's the same thing, but when we press E. And that's the code. I tried to explain it the best I could. Still new, alright? Still new. I just was listening to what he said. And, I mean, it works. It's not flawless, but it definitely works. I say that's a job well done. We got our 2 levels for this video. Man, this was a really good video. We got 2 levels made. And we got a dash. And, so, next video, see, this should be coming out Thursday, because maybe sooner. Either Wednesday or Thursday, this should be, yeah, either Wednesday or Thursday, it should be coming out. And so, with that said, the next video should be coming out sometime between Saturday and Sunday. Yep, so next video should be out Saturday or Sunday. And what we'll be dealing with, here, let me check, real quick. Alright, so we had movement, jumping, dashing, and collectibles. That's right. That's right. I'll talk about that some other time. This chest up here. Scenes, level 1. Alright, so we can get, so we're gonna need a, next video might come out, alright, so next video we're gonna be dealing with collectibles. Okay? We're not gonna be destroying this object, this coin right here, because we're gonna be worrying about the level 1 for the collectible stuff. And so this so easily we can just destroy it and get it out of our scene and say it's a collectible. But I'm not gonna do that, and I'm going to try and get an inventory system. Sounds ambitious, but I'm very ambitious. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna try and get an actual functioning collectible system next video, and that should come out Saturday or Sunday. If all goes well, Saturday. If all does not, Sunday. But it will be coming out this week. Okay, but I think that will conclude this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. And if you like the video, like it. There's an option for that. So, I mean, just do it. Else if. But, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys later.